In this particular video, we will find out how to use mathematical calculations in templates. This is an example of a simple agreement for future tokens. This is an agreement which is typically used in crypto transactions. As you can see, there is a table here. There is an aggregate purchase amount and there's a token amount. And we will use this example to calculate the number of tokens. Let's say the purchase amount is $10,000. The token price is 1 cent. As you can see, the third row, there is the number of tokens is automatically calculated. Now, how do we achieve this? Click on edit in a template. If you look at the purchase amount, you know, uh, you need to make sure that the format is numeric. Similarly, here, the purchase price per token, the format should be numeric. In the number of tokens, what you need to do is you can use the mode called math formula, and you can use column variables or row variables, whatever the case may be. In our case, we will select the variables in the column, which is the purchase amount and the token price. Make sure you use double square brackets, and you can use all of these operators, plus, minus, multiplication, divide, sum of, and so on, to be able to sort of calculate the amount. Click on save dependencies, save and preview. As you can see, once again, you can use any number to calculate the number of tokens. Thanks for listening.